Hi, I'm Luann. I'm the relationship banker here at Seneca Savings, and this is our Christmas party that we're currently doing. We had a lot of amazing business sponsors that sponsored to buy toys for the kids. We had the North Syracuse Fire Department come. We had food donated for all of the employees, as well as the firemen and the police that came today. So this is also open to the community, and what we're doing is we're doing another one next weekend in Baldwinsville so that all the kids can get gifts and presents, and it's really amazing that we're able to do this for our community. What's really great is we have a lot of opportunities and we have a lot of things coming up for our communities, a lot of fundraisers, a lot of community events, so we hope to see you there.